What is up, YouTube? We back with another Dissidia. Chapter 5. You know. We using my girl, my fave, my boo, my lover, my wife, Lightning. As you see, I went on a little training arc. That's why it took so long to upload. But we back. So let's get it.
Who are you watching? Enjoy the view! Enjoy the view! This is gonna sting! Stay down! Who are you watching? I did what I had to do. This ought to be easy. Stay down! Who are you watching? I did what I had to do.
Odin. Oh, I guessed it right. I told y'all. I know my Final Fantasy, y'all.
This ought to be easy. Stay down! Who are you watching? Have some more! This is... Stay down! This is gonna sting! Have some more! This is gonna sting! See ya! I did what I had to do.
Lightning.
I guess the rest of them still haven't made it back here yet. The fighting out there, it's something else. Those things, those mannequins, they just keep coming. And every one of them wants us dead. And Cain, I don't know what he's after, but he's turned on us. And now he's attacking his own allies. I got separated from the others. I'm not sure they even managed to get out.
Cosmos?
It's Jacked. I felt his spirit growing weaker, and then it vanished.
Vanished? So he was slain by one of Chaos's fiends.
I wouldn't bet on it. They have someone on the inside doing their work for them.
You think Cain did it?
Jack's not the only one he's gotten to. I saw him with my own eyes. I saw the friend he'd already betrayed, and I saw him try to claim his next victim too.
You must be mistaken. I can sense all of the other warriors are still...
The other warriors aren't coming! Listen to me. 2 of us made it out of that mess alive, and you're looking right at them. We keep taking orders from you, and we can forget about the crystals. We won't last that long. Of all the stupid things to die for.
Hey,
You are absolutely correct.
you tell him, Lightning.
We cannot win.
No!
Whoa, 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 whoa! I forget about this part.
You too. Just like Cain, huh? Another traitor. What do you even want?
I am afraid that does not concern you at present. Toss aside your blade and say goodnight.
No thanks. It's not my bedtime. Dodge this. Dodge this. Hut, your toes. Hut, hut, your toes. Hut, who are you watching? Hut, who are you watching? Hut, enjoy the view. Hut. Who are you watching? This is gonna sting.
Prepare.
Some more. This is gonna sting.
Shine!
Stay down. Your toes.
Give me
This is gonna sting. This is gonna sting. This is gonna sting. See ya.
Stop! You mustn't fight! Hear me, warriors. Stay your blades. Speak. You know more than you reveal.
My pardons. I meant to speak to you about Cain later. This fight, you see, Cain and I, we've yielded.
What does that mean?
No sooner had Cosmos imbued us with their power than the twisted warriors we came to know as mannequins appeared in this world. An endless spring of military might, directed by the forces of chaos. For each we would slay, 2 more would take its place. Had we so chosen, we could have battled until our last ounce of strength was drained. There was one thing, however, that we knew we could never do: win. And the longer we fought, the more painfully apparent that became. It's no use. No matter how many fall, there is always another wave. What kind of numbers must these abominations have? Cain!
My friend, you're unscathed.
Yes, but breaks in the fighting are few and far between. I can only hope the others have fared as well.
Mannequins.
What of them?
I wonder, how do you place our odds? Against numbers like these, do you think we actually stand to win?
I cannot speak for the outcome, but we can fight as long as we have strength.
That's one answer. You are correct. We can fight for as long as we have strength, and almost certainly lose. But if there were a way to make winning possible, by accepting that loss as inevitable, would you be able to commit yourself to such a purpose?
What do you mean?
We are trapped. This war is a cycle with no proper end. We fight and fall. We are revived, and the process repeats. I realize it's not easy to believe. But consider, if what I've said to you is true, then so is this. We'll have another chance. As long as some of our strength remains, we will be brought back and provided with a chance to fight again.
You're taking down your own allies and putting them to sleep so they'll get revived? You expect me to buy into that? You don't think we can win, so you think we should just lose on purpose?
I do. It is our only hope of success.
Where do you even dream up a fairy tale like that? Look, even if what you're saying wasn't completely crazy, what's the point in getting revived so we can keep fighting an endless war? I mean, if this war isn't gonna end, why even fight? What in the world are we doing here?
Making the war end. Is that not correct, Cosmos? We are here to use the power Cosmos has granted us, our crystals, to bring the cycle grinding to a halt. But as matters stand, we are doomed to fail before we can even obtain them.
Mannequins are merciless. They know only how to deliver death and destruction, from which there can be no return.
If we do not embrace the cycle, the crystals will never be ours to wield.
Not exactly uplifting.
We don't even have the time to consider our options.
It was my hope that you would journey onward, to face the next battle.
And you? What are you going to do?
I've sworn an oath to Cain. While he puts the other warriors to sleep, I am to serve as his shield.
Are you guys like brothers in arms to the bitter end?
Whatever hope we have rests upon you and the next fight. Sometimes you must lose a battle to win the war. Please try to accept this. The crystals are our only hope.
You're wrong. The two of you can do whatever you want. But don't go asking me to believe in this crap. Me? I make my own fate. I'll keep looking for hope until I find some.
Yes, sir.
Say your next battle were to start now. There wouldn't be any fewer enemies out there. And starting over fresh doesn't guarantee we'd get our crystals any faster either. At the very least, we might as well cut their numbers down first. It sure can't hurt, can it? And it might just give us a shot.
Guess now's as good a time as any. Just happens I've got some intel that might change the whole game. You want to even our odds? Try this on. I know where the mannequins are coming from. Well, more how to find where they come from. But if you want to go looking, I'm up for it.
You are?
You know, I'm in too. I promised to help end this thing, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not giving up now. I'm finishing what I started. We've got better things to do than napping.
Vaughn.
I'm coming too. I can't just sleep here while you're all out fighting. I can't turn my back on people like that. If I can help, then I'll keep fighting. Yuna.
The road you choose is no easy one. You would still walk it, knowing what you face? Very well. Then I shall place my hope and trust in you.
Well then, guess it's a date. Looks like we've got some mannequins to disassemble.
Well, that was a quick one. Hey, the next one is coming up soon, I guess. Yeah. Hey, don't forget, if you like it, like, subscribe. We're gonna be doing, a lot of Final Fantasy content. So, I'll let y'all know what I'm doing next. Hey.